Hi guys, Rize here, and today we're going to be making these homegrown potatoes into wedges. Let's go!
The taste of fresh homegrown potatoes can't be beat. I usually grow a wide range of varieties. There's actually different types of potatoes. You have the dry starchy varieties, the waxy varieties which have a higher water content, and the all-round variety. Potatoes can be grown in summer as long as it doesn't get too hot, and they can also be grown in winter where they're free from frost damage. Here on my gardening channel I actually do a lot of potato harvest videos, so if you're interested, check those out. So for today's potato wedges we're going to be using a Pontiac, which is an all-rounder variety. Give your potatoes a wash and peel the skin off. Cut your potatoes in half and cut them into wedges. The medium-sized potato you can cut one half into 3 wedge pieces. Before putting them in the oven, we're gonna parboil these first to achieve a crispier wedge. Once you got that all done, place some water on a stock pot over a large burner. Wait for the water to start boiling before putting in your potatoes. Boil them for around 5 minutes. But make sure you watch the clock, you don't want these to be breaking down on you when handling them. Add some tablespoons of salt for flavoring. So these ended up being overboiled by a few minutes, but these are still okay. So let these cool down for a bit and then we'll be adding some herbs and spices for flavoring. So for our mixture, we're going to be using some olive oil, some turmeric powder, mixed dry herbs, and some pepper. And give it a mix. So this was just enough to give it a bit of flavor, but if you want a stronger kick, add some more herbs and spices. Also, a quicker way to do these is chuck these in a bowl, sprinkle over the herbs and spices, and toss it around. Place it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees fan forced and bake these for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Once done, remove from the oven and let it cool down for a few minutes. Prepare your wedges for your guests or for yourself. And there you have it, that's how you cook potato wedges. So it is recommended that you use starchy potatoes to make potato wedges, but all-rounder type potatoes are still okay to use. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these videos from me, don't forget to like and subscribe.
The heck? Oh my god. Bruh, what is this? Sprouting? Oh, it is sprouting.